Welcome back to my YouTube channel, EV Riders. In this video, we discuss about the 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia new design and electrification. That's confirmed by CEO. Early information regarding the next sports sedan was revealed by Alfa Romeo CEO Philippe Imparato in a conversation with our colleagues at Motor1 Italy. Alfa Romeo's CEO has confirmed the Giulia lineup will switch to an electric powertrain for 2025. It has a completely different design from the 2024 Charger, but it will use the same STLA Large base. They've been working on the car's styling for the last 2 years. The head of Alfa Romeo stated that there is a lot of freedom available with the STLA Large platform for total length, wheelbase, breadth, height, etc. It's unclear whether the EV will be the only powertrain available. The new Giulia should be built on the STLA Large platform, which supports both electric and combustion engines. And Motor1 reports that the 2025 Giulia will get combustion, hybrid, and all-electric versions. What about Quadrifoglio version? According to Autocar, the base Giulia model will have 345 horsepower. The Veloce variant will increase that to 790 horsepower. The top-of-the-line Quadrifoglio model will produce approximately 986 horsepower, which is almost twice as much as the Giulia Quadrifoglio's current output. The latter type might have 3 motors and all-wheel drive. The new 2025 Giulia EV. The new Giulia will have 800-volt architecture and run on Stellantis's new STLA EV platform. According to Alfa Romeo, a rapid charger should provide a substantial charge, likely 10–80% in less than 18 minutes. According to WLTP standards, the Giulia EV should have a maximum range of about 435 miles, which translates to about 387 miles in EPA testing. Alfa Romeo is the only brand that is capable of making a car costing €30,000 up to €2 million. What is your opinion for 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia? Please put your comment below and please like and subscribe my channel. And turn on the notification bell. Visit www.ev-riders.com for EVS and the latest car news. See you later.